I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.
What is up, everyone? And today we're back with another well, not another. This is new. I made this up. I don't know if anyone else did. It's called the Paper Airplane Challenge, and we make it out of different stuff, out of sticky notes, a glove, and of course paper. So I got some paper over here. See, blank pieces of paper. There's nothing, just blank, not already made. My friend didn't make them. I'm making it. So I'm gonna see if you guys like them. If you do, comment down below and see if I should do another one. Would name the subjects I should do it with, and I'll do it. Anything. Okay. So let's first start. And plus, if you like this is pretty cool. I just added this on. This is my football number. I just put it on my wrist because I was bored. And it was like these tattoo things. So yeah. So let's start first with the straight up and down. Well, not first, but we're starting with it. So let's start doing that. Oops. Gotta do it more little. No, it's too big. That is the perfect edges. So now, first you do that. Then you gotta fold it like that on one edge. That on the other. Then you literally fold the whole thing in half. Well, in a half. Then you fold it back. Ooh, I want this to look and come out. Oh my god, what did I just say? It looks like it's gonna come out good. And boom, you got your own. Ooh, it did come out pretty good. You could customize it any way you want. Well, next challenge. Okay, next challenge is the sticky notes. Okay. We're gonna be making a little tiny one. So, oh, it's gonna be hard because of the sticky part. That's gonna be the hard thing. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is hard because it's so little. Oh, wait, I need to restart. I need to do it like... No, more little, like that. Perfect. Perfect. Like Ronald always says, perfect. Then, ooh, this looks jazzy. Oh, this is a little. Let's go. Other end. Let's go. Ooh. A little tiny paper airplane. Next challenge. Wow, that did bad. Alright, so now we got the glove. This is probably going to be the worst one, the glove. I regret doing that. So let's do the glove. And if you guys are wondering what this is, just a speaker. And if you guys are wondering, oh, don't want to unplug this because this takes a long time to fix. This is the thing that you plug into your mic. This right here. Perfect. I love it. I love it. Love this setup. It's so good. It's bolted in the wall. There's no way this could fall off. It's not gonna fall off. Ha. Alright. Sorry about that background noise.
What are you doing?
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. What way should I do it? I don't know. I think I'll do it this way. Ooh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay. Alrighty then. With the... Oh my god. paper airplane. Oh, I got it, guys. Paper, it's the new paper. Let's twist it a little. The new paper airplane glove. Alright, so this took a while. Alright, notification. I'm so happy this is on mute. Phase adapt. Okay, notification, okay. Go. Okay. That was not exciting. It went like a normal glove. But, if you guys enjoyed this video, Coca-Cola, sponsor me. Pokemon, sponsor me. And most of all, Jeff Gordon, my dad's #1 driver, sponsor me. Peace, guys.